Hello, everyone. Let's continue study zOS enterprise computing. Today, we will study a COBOL compiler, IGYCRCTL, and we will study COBOL linker, IEWBLINK, and then we will study how to run COBOL executable file, and we have hands-on lab. In our previous video, we use IGYWCLG, this utility to compile, link, and run a COBOL program. It is convenient this utility do all these three tasks at once. However, that is not a usual case for software development. Usually for software implementation, the whole project are divided into subtasks. Each subtask, software engineer will take a task and then generate object code. And then all this object code will be linked together with the library and then to generate one executable file. So today we will learn compile, link, and run separately. All right, we will also use this multiplication chart as an example to learn how to compile COBOL code, how to link, and how to run. Here, go means run. All right, this is a COBOL code for generating this multiplication chart. In our previous video, I already explained the COBOL code for generating this multiplication chart. I just quickly go over it. And this part, a variable declaration, it needs a table. The table will save the multiplication result. And the result is saved. And I will change the pointer to pen. The result will be saved like this as two bytes numeric digit, and then followed by our alphabet. That's this one. This will repeat 9 times. That's here 9. And then this table has 9 rows. So it is a 9 by 9 table. And after variable declaration, we have implementation, that's the code. Here is a loop. And then inside this loop, there is another loop here, okay? So this loop will call loop 1. This is the inner loop. That is a double loop. It will do the multiplication. After loop, it will print out the result. All right, for this COBOL source code, how to compile it. So we will use IGYCRCTL. This is the zOS COBOL compiler. And this JCL file is to COBOL, is to compile the previous sample code, this sample code. All right. So this 2 line is a job card, and then this JCL file will run this program, IGYCRCTL, and then this is parameters. And it need this compiler needs those libraries. And then the input file is, where is the input file on next page? Look at here. It will use this EX3 is a COBOL source code. From this source code, it will generate this is object file. It will generate this object file, okay? It will generate this object file. And sysut1, sysut2 to sysut15, they are temporary data set. After this compile run to completion, those temporary data set will be deleted. All right, so this is a compiler. It will only do compile task. Here it will only do compile, does not do link and go. Next, next is linker. And the same, these two lines is job card. And then this JCL will run this program, IEWBLINK. This is linker. It is linker. Okay. So this linker will use object file generated by the compiler. The object file is here. This is the object file. This file is generated by the compiler in previous step. So this linker will generate executable. The executable file is this one. This is executable file. All right. So this compiler will need these two libraries, and it get the input object file from this data set, and it generates executable. Executable is saved under this PDS. Okay, this PDS must be PDSE dataset, and then record format must be equal to U. Okay, and so it need a PDSE dataset with record format equal to U, and then this linker can generate executable under that PDS. That is linker. And next, after linker, it will generate executable. Next is to run executable file. And this is a JCL to run executable. And these two lines are job card. And then this program will run exe3 run. This is the executable generated here, generated by the linker. And then it is comma followed by those parameters. And then where this executable is, it is located under this PDS. Again, this PDS must be PDSE PDS with record format equal to U. All right. And next, I will show you the hands-on lab. Before going to hands-on lab, I'd like to thank these three persons who made the hands-on lab available and possible. And all right. log into TN Vista 3270. User ID, password. Now it's connecting to the zOS at Marist College. It will take about 15 seconds. Now it's connected, hit enter, then ISPF menu will pop up. All right, here first we need to confirm the COBOL sample code. Use number 2, edit. Then we will confirm COBOL code is located under COBOL under this PDS. And we will try to use this EX3 sample code. All right. So this code, we will try to compile, link and run this sample code. All right. So this is complete sample code. And we confirmed this is the source code. We will go exit F3 function 3 key, exit again. Now we need to check JCL. All the JCL code is under this JCL PDS. So we will use all right, we will use this one, JCL. Go up. We will try to compile link, okay, EX3 compile. And we will try to use this one. All right, this is a JCL file. It will our JCL file to compile. It will run this compiler. The input source code is this one is under this PDS dataset. The source code file member name is EX3, and this compiler will generate object file. Object file will be our PS dataset, and here I will change this object file because this file might exist. If this dataset exists, then this JCL cannot run. So to make sure this object file does not exist. So here I just change it to EX3 object 3. Okay, make sure it is a new file. And then save it. Submit. Enter letter. Let's use A. Hit enter. Go to ISPF top. Okay. Max CC code is 000. That means no error, no warning. And then no error, no warning. Then we just check the output. Output is object file. Okay, let's go to RTST. Here. Just go to the ISPF menu. From here, we can use number 3 utility, number 4 dataset list, and then we want to check all the data data set starting with this identifier and followed by asterisk. And our JCL will generate EX object 3, okay? This is the object file the JCL just created, all right? So we confirmed that this object file exists. And then now we go back to the JCL, go back again, F3. And now next we will take run the linker. The JCL for linker is under JCL PDS dataset, and we will check this file. And all right, this is a linker. Here it will run this linker. This linker will generate executable. So the executable of it will use object file. Object file is here. The one we just generated is ex3 object 3. And then it will generate executable, put it under this data set, Here, I will change this name to 3 because exe3 run 2 may exist under this dataset. So I just change name. Again, here this, I cannot write on it. So this PDS must be PDSE dataset with record format equal to U. All right, and I save it. I will save it, and if I submit, it will generate this. It will generate this executable. All right, submit. Enter a letter B. All right, max C code equal to 000. That means no error. And then confirm the output. We need to go to this PDS to see whether this executable is generated or not. And then press F3 key. Press F3 key. Press F3 key again, utility number 3, and then number 4, hit enter. So we find under load, use / to view number 2, view all. So this one, ex3 run 3 is executable we just generated. All right, we confirmed this executable exists under this PDS. All right, so now let's try to run it. Go back again. Go back again. So from here, number 2, edit. We will open the JCL to run that executable, hit enter. So we will open this JCL edit and reset. So we will run EX3, we will run EX3 and run 3. That is the executable we just generated. Okay, we will run EX3 run 3. All right. And then where this executable is located, it is located under this PDS. So select save and submit C, hit enter. No error, no warning. That means we can check result, and we can go to ISPF top menu. From there, we select the SD submenu. Okay. Now we can check output queue. Use find command, find EC02720. We type the letter C. Okay. There are two files, postfix with C. This one is the result. If we select, so we can see this multiplication chart is created correctly. All right, basically in this video, I demonstrate how to compile, link, and execute our COBOL program. That's all for this video.